As India faces an unprecedented surge in demand for oxygen and the shortage, the producers of the life-saving gas have ramped up their capacity. India today visited Inox Air Products, the largest oxygen manufacturing plant in India. Well, they have ramped up their capacity to meet 300% jump in supply. My colleague Tanushree Pandey gets us this exclusive ground report.
Working flat out, ramping up production as fast as possible. This in the middle of a suffocating surge. The largest manufacturer of industrial and medical gases in India, Inox Air Products is boosting capacity to fill paralyzing shortage of oxygen. Vineet Tyagi is managing this huge plant in Uttar Pradesh's Modi Nagar, catering to northern India. His own sister is under intensive care at a Delhi hospital. But Tyagi is staying at this unit 24/7 to keep it running.
That's my moral responsibility, ma'am. And it's the responsibility that citizen have towards his nation basically first. See, families are meant because of the nation. If I can't serve my nation, then where my family will survive? Yes, she is fighting, and I know that my sister is a fighter. She will definitely come out of that situation. But lots of other families are also under crisis. I can't let them down because my family is in a panic situation this time. So for all those families, I am working here, and I am working till my patients will allow me to do and help them.
Before COVID struck, India produced 7,200 tons of oxygen a day, of which only 15% was used for medical purposes. Now, the total capacity has been increased to 9,200 tons by converting industrial oxygen into medical oxygen. Point-to-point express trains, Air Force jets and additional tankers are scrambling to fill critical gaps in the supply chain. The goal being sending the life-saving gas to the last mile in time. Manpower and morale of workers are vital, especially when the pandemic is spreading like a firestorm.
There has to be some system lags are there. Otherwise, the situation can't be so much sarcastic this as it is now. We have to be controlling very much earlier than this type of situations will arise in this scenario. Previously, my responsibility to maintain the production of the plant up to the level of the design limit. पर आज मेरी प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थोड़ा डिफर हो गई है इन दिस कोविड सीन. अब मेरी प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मेरी टीम को मोटिवेट रखना बिकॉज दे आर माई जेम्स एंड विदाउट देम वी आर नथिंग.
Transporting liquid oxygen in the face of the current wave of devastation, Pankaj Singh has not seen his family for the last 1 month. All he has been doing is moving the tankers to overrun hospitals, getting oxygen to where it is needed the most.
परिवार में हमारे माताजी, पिताजी, मेरी वाइफ, मेरे बच्चा, एक मेरा ब्रदर है और मेरी ब्रदर की
कहाँ रहते हैं?
हम रोहिणी.
आप मिल नहीं पाए उनसे? कितने दिनों से नहीं मिल पाए?
पूरा ऑलमोस्ट 25 दिन हो चुके हैं. मैंने उनकी शक्ल भी नहीं देखी. एक जगह उधर हॉस्पिटल्स, मेरे घर के पास में कई हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, तब भी मेरा जाने का वहाँ समय मैं इसलिए नहीं निकालता क्योंकि अगर मैं उधर घर से मिलने जाऊँगा तो क्या पता कोई और अपने घर वालों से ना मिल पाए. ऑलमोस्ट सब हॉस्पिटलों में ऐसा हो रहा है कि हम बिल्कुल एट द टाइम ऑफ मूवमेंट पे पहुँचते हैं कि जब ऑक्सीजन ख़त्म होने वाली होती है. और भगवान की दुआ से ऐसा अभी तक नहीं हुआ कि कहीं मैं ऐसा लेट पूछा हूँ कि कुछ ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई हो. इसी दुआ से भगवान ने अभी तक बचा के रखा है. इस काबिल हमें बनाया है कि ये काम हम कर रहे हैं.
From workers making liquid oxygen to drivers transporting it, every person at Inox Air Products is working 24/7 to ensure no one loses their life due to shortage of oxygen. Now, the success of oxygen therapy in the COVID treatment means there will be sustained demand for liquid medical oxygen in the months to come. And one of the biggest producers of medical oxygen is confident of meeting that demand, provided the center and the states work in tandem. With camera person Nasir Khan in Modi Nagar in UP, I'm Tanushree Pandey for India Today.